Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our video we are going to make a simple rice vermicelli stir-fried noodle. So for that we have set of ingredients. Please do not become overwhelmed with the ingredients. I will be placing it in batch by batch and step by step. So get ready to rock and roll and let's get into the kitchen. For those who are new, welcome aboard, and for those who are celebrating season of Lent, especially for Christians, as Easter is approaching for the resurrection of Jesus Christ. So I ask you to try all these simple and easy recipes which is suitable on a Friday or any day of the Lent. So this is one of it. It's also suitable for a breakfast, a hearty breakfast, and just give a try. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen. Dear viewers, our first set of ingredients are the vegetables that we are going to use for the stir-fried noodles. And I'm also having some shallots. I will be adding more shallots, and this is what is available for me at this moment. And I have 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and you can add more, less, it's up to you. And I have one bowl full of bean sprout, and I have a carrot cut into julienne, and the carrot is about this size. And I also have 2 generous amount of teaspoons of chili flakes, and this is mustard leaf, and we will be using some mustard leaf in our noodles. And also these are the stems of the mustard leaves because I'll be cooking them first, then we will be using them. So we will see what is the next ingredient. The second set of ingredients are vegetarian fish sauce. I have also dark soy sauce. I have regular soy sauce, which can be it's called medium in salt. And I also have sweet soy sauce, which is a spicy version, sweet soy sauce. And I also have some pure sesame oil. These are the second set of ingredients. I repeat: vegetarian fish sauce, dark soy sauce, a medium level of sodium soy sauce, and I also have spicy sweet soy sauce, and also sesame sauce. Our main ingredient for this is rice vermicelli. You could also use with egg, the yellow noodles that contains egg, but today I'm going to do with rice vermicelli. This is a dried version, and I'll show you how to soften it. Our next set of ingredients are for garnishing. I have spring onions. I have about 3 to 4 stems of spring onion. I have chopped them this version, and I also have some fried onions store-bought. So our first step is to soak this rice vermicelli, and so for that I will be there are 4 slabs, and I'm going to use 2 slabs. So slab number 1 and the slab number 2, and we shall pour some boiling hot water as long the vermicelli immerse completely into the basin. So right now it has not immersed completely. So with the help of some spoon, and I am just immersing this, and I will be immersing this. I'll be leaving this approximately about 3 to 5 minutes, not too long, just 3 to 5 minutes, and we will be removing them. This is just to soften the noodles. Meanwhile, the noodles are soaking, so we shall prepare the sauces, and the sauces will be like as I've shown you earlier. So now I am going to do the measurement. So we shall use 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce, which is low in sodium. Our next sauce is 1 tablespoon of vegetarian fish sauce. Our next sauce is spicy sweet soy sauce, which is a 1 teaspoon. You could put more or less, it's up to you. And with the mixture of a spoon, just mix it up. And we are good to go for the stir fry. And before that, we shall check on our noodles. Dear viewers, it's about 3 to 4 minutes, so our noodles are also ready. So we can just transfer this into this container, and I will be back. Our noodles are ready, so it's now time to go into the kitchen for stir fry. And now it's time to start off by cooking. Pour some oil into your pan, approximately about 4 to 5 tablespoons. For Chinese stir fries, you need a little extra oil. We shall wait for the oil to get heated up. The oil has heated up, and it's time to throw in the garlic. And I've chopped it very finely, approximately a little chunks as well, so it doesn't really matter. So we shall fry this until the garlic changes a little bit, and we will add the shallots. And I could see the garlic is getting fried, and it's time to add the shallots. This, we can add a little bit of salt just to ease the cooking process. Making noodles may sound like it's a lot of work. Yes, indeed. But the preparation of chopping has a lot of work. If you can't get shallots, do use regular onions. That should be fine as well. So we will wait for the onions to be translucent. Then we will add the next ingredient. And dear viewers, it's time to add the carrots. Give it a quick stir. And at this point as well, we shall add the chili flakes. This is 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. This is to spice up the noodles. And we will wait for the carrots to cook. As the carrot comes to still cooking, we can add the stems of the mustard leaf. And we'll let it cook. With this, we can add a little bit of water just to ease the process of cooking. Carrots are being cooked. Now we can add the noodles. And we'll give it a quick mix. For this you need another pair of stick, and you mix it up like that, or you can use a chopstick. So once the vegetables get cooked, and you can mix up this, and also at this moment we can add the soy sauce that we've been pre-mixed. As this comes to a good mix, and we will add the rest of the mustard leaves. Some people, they do cut the mustard leaf in short, like tiny pieces. Some of them they like big. Like I prefer the big version. So I'm just adding this. And we have a few more ingredients. So let this mustard leaf cook. Then we will get to the next ingredient. The mustard leaf is almost cooked, and so now we can add the bean sprout and give it a quick stir. And we will wait a few minutes for the bean sprout to cook, and we are done. Our noodles is ready, and it's time to serve. And dear viewers, this is how we garnish. So we just put on the green onion as much as you can. You can also use some salad leaves. So we will be using just green onions and fried onions. And to add on some fried onions. This is what it is all about. The fried noodles in a simple, easy way. And there are many versions. I will be making many versions in my future videos. And this is what is my end product. Thank you very much for watching my video. And please continue to watch other videos. And this is a very suitable meal to be eaten during the Fridays of Lent. It is 100% vegetarian. And it also doesn't have any animal product in it. So with this, I will be ending here, but I have not finished my video here yet. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. That's about it. So thank you for watching my channel, and do watch the other ones. And those who are new, welcome aboard. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button. And also press the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you'll be notified. Thank you, and for all the Christians who are observing season of Lent, a blessed one to you and your families from Friday Friendly Kitchen. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.